Boone, what are you doing?
Why are you taking a picture of me?
I want to ask you what you're doing.
I'm just taking the pin.
You're taking their temperature?
Yeah.
Are they
Because
sick?
that hurt her.
What hurts?
It hurts and I'm quiet.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Do they have temperature?
Yeah.
How much?
Well, they're all done.
Yeah, they feel better.
Yeah. Well, they have to go to the doctor.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Then they have to get their checkups. And
They have to get their checkups?
and their temperature.
Oh, their temperature?
Yeah.
Where do you take temperature?
We take temperature in a doctor, and a doctor does.
Yeah, where on your body? In your armpit?
Yeah. Because we have to go to the doctor because they're sick today.
Oh, no.
Tomorrow. Because we're going to take this to the doctor.
Okay.
Take the temperature and a doctor.
What's your name?
Cynthia.
Cynthia?
Yeah.
Nice.
Hi.
Hi, Dr. Cynthia.